There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well.
Hey guys, so we went to the Brug bakery. I don't even know how to say it, but it's like a Japanese bakery. It's by Pearlridge. It's in Pearlridge, but it's like on the side. So that was like the only place that was open at that time. So we went inside. Not always the great customer service there. So like I've been in there 2 times and not the greatest customer service while they're ringing us up. They don't even pay attention to us while they're ringing us up. So it's really bad. But the food was all right. The croissants was a little bit too dark today, but everything else was good. Whatever we purchased, it was really tasty. So yeah, so just wanted to share this little bakery with you guys.
Every night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you.
I just gotta say this one. Even though the bakery is really good, but if it has really bad customer service, some people won't go back. So keep that in mind when you're working. Try to be the best. At least talk to your customers and say thank you. You know what I mean? But even though the pastries might be the best, still we won't go back if it's terrible customer service.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are.
One thing I liked about that, some of the pastries, they were individually wrapped. There were some that weren't, but in this time, I would really rather have something that's individually wrapped because people are going and grabbing their pastries, so yeah, that's a plus that it was. Some of them were individually wrapped.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice,